1300 hours, Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. President has emphasized on combination of morality and knowledge for Muslims to grow in the world. Foreign Minister says Pakistan has given the dossier of Indian-sponsored terrorism in Pakistan to the international world. 62 more people died of coronavirus in the country during the last 24 hours. A former puppet chief minister of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has strongly criticized the Modi-led BJP government for inviting outsiders to settle in the disputed territory. And now the news in detail. President Dr. Arif Alvi has emphasized on a combination of morality and knowledge for Muslims to grow in the world. Addressing the inaugural session of the Global Al-Farabi Forum in Islamabad today, he said the future looks to Muslims, but they need to work hard and ensure that people are educated and healthy. The president said we should go to the principles of Al-Farabi, which are quite relevant even today. He said the world is not looking for morality, but Muslims are looking for morality, and they can bring about a change with the strength of ethics and knowledge. He regretted that Muslims in the misery in Kashmir, Palestine and Rohingya. The president said Muslims need to go along with the fast pace of science and technology. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that Pakistan has given the dossier regarding Indian-sponsored terrorism in Pakistan to the international world. Addressing media in Multan today, he said Pakistan will take decisions according to its own interests. He said that India always tried to harm Pakistan whenever it got the chance. He said India has made discriminatory laws for minorities, due to which minorities residing in India are in deep trouble. While talking about his recent visit, he added that Pakistan shares cordial relations with UAE and Saudi Arabia, and so they believe that India cannot be the alternate of Pakistan. He said that he listened and understood UAE's stance regarding establishing ties with Israel. He maintained that Pakistan has developed uniform policy regarding establishing ties with Israel, that it will not recognize Israel until a peaceful solution of Palestine. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said PDM is divided regarding giving resignations from the national and provincial assemblies. 62 more people died of coronavirus in the country during the last 24 hours. According to latest statistics, 1,792 people tested COVID positive during this period after tests of 34,772 people. The figure of active COVID cases in the country is 40,491, while 409,085 people have been recovered from the virus. Pakistan International Airlines, consequent to Saudi government's decision of a week-long suspension of all international flights, has announced to cancel its flights scheduled for today to different destinations in Saudi Arabia. Talking to media in Karachi, PIA spokesman Abdullah Khan said it is due to the resurgence of COVID-19 that flights are being stopped and duration of this suspension may be further extended. He said national flag carrier decided to cancel its flights number PK 9739 and PK 9760 from Multan and Lahore to Jeddah. Moreover, those en routes Lahore, Jeddah, Lahore, Islamabad, Dammam, Islamabad, Lahore, Dammam, Lahore, and Karachi, Medina, Karachi have also been cancelled. He said flights from Lahore to Medina, Medina to Karachi, Medina to Multan, and Karachi, Jeddah, Karachi are also suspended. He said these flights would remain cancelled till Saudi government opens its airspace for international flights. He advised passengers to contact concerned PIE officials via 786 786 111 for their queries and needed guidance, besides getting registered their correct contact numbers through PIA call centers so that they may be kept updated about flight status. Former puppet chief minister of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, has strongly criticized the Modi-led BJP government for inviting the outsiders to settle in the disputed territory and rendering native Kashmiris homeless. Addressing a gathering in Badgaam, Mehbooba Mufti said, after the abrogation of Kashmir's special status, barbaric laws are being extended in the territory by Indian government to suppress the Kashmiri people. In Afghanistan, 7 people, including 5 police officers, were killed in 2 separate improvised bomb explosions today. According to police, the police officers were killed by an improvised bomb in Parwan province, while 2 civilians were killed in a similar attack in Baghdis province. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan.